Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the aura effect on a person in a video on Capcut. So if you want to apply this aura effect on a person, then let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and go to your App Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Edit and then tap on New Project. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select a video where you want to create the aura effect. So for example, this one here, tap Add. So aura effect is where you have a light shining around the person's body. So to do this, go ahead and select that video, then tap on Effects at the bottom. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Video Effects. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on Search and you're searching for Aura, A-U-R-A. Tap Search. And now you'll see all these different aura effects which you can use. The ones with the diamond, it's for only pro users. So just be aware of that. Go ahead and tap on them and you'll see some effects appear on the person. Now if you like that aura effect which you've selected, select that and then tap on Cancel and then tap on the tick. Now when you play this video, the aura effect has been applied to that person in your video. So there you go guys, that's how to apply the aura effect on a person in a video on Capcut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.